Welcome back, YouTube. Petey Twofinger here, celebrating my vape-versary. It's been 1 year since I smoked a cigarette. In the last video, I was showing off this triple triangle wave oscillator, sawtooth wave oscillator. The other chip here is for a mixer. Now today, I wanted to show you this sine wave oscillator that I built. Now the chip that's in the sine wave oscillator is an XR2206 chip. It's an all-in-one function generator IC. They don't make them anymore, so they're kind of hard to get and they're expensive. So you'll have this control here, which is to adjust the frequency. And what I've done is I've also added a light sensor, and that is hidden inside this tube, this metal tube, which is it's an antenna from a boombox. Now I took the other antenna piece and I've added a LED to the end of that rod, and then there's a cable going out to the power supply. Turn the LED on, and we have our light sensor is on the other end of this tube. That's why we're hearing music right now. And then we'll be able to So, as you can hear, the sine wave oscillator is a pretty nice sound. When you think about it, a square wave is like, the triangle is like, and then you have the sine, which is very sexy. There's no sharp edges on the sine, and you can hear it. When you have a square wave oscillator and you start turning it down, you get real low, it just starts sputtering. And I'll show you. With the sine, you can get really low and it still sounds. The square wave, even, you know, the pop, pop, pop when it gets low. And as you get up into the higher frequencies, it sounds kind of angry. It's a bit like, almost like hornets in a tin can, angry. The triangle is a little bit nicer. They have different types of sawtooth waves where you have the ramp up or you have the ramp down, where it'll come on and then the power fades down, or the power fades up and then shuts off, or they have it ramp up, ramp down, you know, where it's just a pure triangle. And you can hear all of that. With the sine wave being smooth like that, as we heard, with a good sine wave, when you get it in the middle frequency range. It almost sounds like an opera singer to my ear. Now that's comparing it to a square wave. Like I should have, like, you know, do a Pepsi challenge and have a square wave set up, because I know you're looking at this video going, this guy, you know, opera singer, like I just don't hear it, you know. But trust me, comparing it to a square wave, the square wave is nasty. It's pretty dirty sounding. And like I said, I built all the square wave stuff for many years. The first time I built one of these circuits was, I think, 1977. So when I say that, I'm really not exaggerating about it. But the truth of the matter is, the first time I heard a sine wave, I was like, what have I been doing with my life? If you watch this, thank you for, I'll tell you this, I got this chip. It says $2.99. It's a Radio Shack chip. It's a 566. This device, general purpose voltage controlled oscillator, may be used to generate square and triangle waves. Frequency, voltage, linear function, control voltage. So yeah, external resistor and capacitor. So yeah, this is exactly what I do. But not only do you get a square wave output, there's a triangle too. So this is really, really cool. Now I looked this up. They don't make this chip anymore. This is an even simpler version of this, and these are rare. This is the XR2206. I paid $5 for that, shipped. This, it was $13.95 for one of these. So I got a Christmas gift. It was 2 boxes, literal boxes, full of old Radio Shack stuff. All the discontinued parts, 2 boxes full of those. And it was kind of like a salvage score. Thank you very much to my brother for gifting me that stuff. That really meant a lot to me, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. So thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a year with no cigarettes. Pretty soon I'm going to be giving up the vaping, so wish me luck with that. And there's going to be at least one more, probably just one more video in the series where I demonstrate the final project when it's finished. That's going to be a really cool video. I'm looking forward to finishing this because